there, friends! Welcome to Penny's Space Adventure. I'm Penny, your guide to the wonders of the universe. Today, we are going to learn all about space. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Now, kids, you might wonder, what exactly is outer space? Outer space is like a gigantic, super-duper big room that's filled with stars, planets, moons, and lots of other amazing things. It's the place where astronauts go when they blast off in rockets, and it's where all the stars twinkle at night. It's so big that it goes on and on forever, and there's always something new and exciting to discover out there. Now that you know what outer space is, let's learn all there is to know about it. Let's start off with the sun. The sun is a star that is super important to us because it gives us light and warmth. It's so big that you could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside it. And how about the moon that you see at night? Did you know that the moon is not made of cheese? It's actually a rocky ball that orbits around our Earth. We can see it at night because it reflects light from the sun. Have you ever seen an astronaut? Astronauts are super brave people who travel to space in special spacecraft called rockets. They float around in space because there's no gravity like there is on Earth. Now, let's talk about black holes. Black holes are like cosmic vacuum cleaners that sucks everything in. They're so strong that not even light can escape from them. But don't worry, Earth is far away from any black holes. Have you ever heard about satellites? Satellites are like space helpers. They orbit around Earth and help us with things like weather forecasting, GPS navigation, and even watching TV. Have you ever seen a shooting star? Sometimes, when Earth travels through space, it runs into tiny pieces of rock and dust called meteoroids. When they burn up in Earth's atmosphere, we see bright streaks of light in the sky called meteors. Did you know that there is an International Space Station? This is like a giant space home where astronauts from different countries live and work together. It orbits around Earth, and you can sometimes see it flying overhead like a bright star. Have you ever looked up at the stars and tried to connect the dots to make shapes? Those shapes are called constellations. They're like picture puzzles in the sky that people have been telling stories about for thousands of years. Thank you so much for joining me on this amazing space adventure, friends. I hope you had as much fun exploring the wonders of the universe as I did sharing them with you. Remember, the universe is full of endless possibilities, waiting for you to discover them. So keep looking up at the stars and dream big.